Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be showing you some stuff that I found in my local Dollar Tree. Of course, this video is not sponsored, and in case you guys like something that I show in this video, go check your local Dollar Tree, and of course, locations vary from the things that you might get. With that being said, let's get started. So I found this Eclipsed LA Colors Auto Eyeliner, long-lasting wear, and it looks like it's like lemony green. Is that even a word? Sorry. Lemon green. Also found this one in Shimmering Glides on Smooth Auto Eyeliner, and it's by LA Colors as well. This one is Full Moon, and it's like a blue. This is, oh, actually this is a lip liner. This is not an eyeliner. This is a lip liner. This is a lip liner in its zombie shade. And then we have the LA Colors Hydrating Lipstick, Creamy Finish, Cruelty-Free Vitamin E and Aloe Vera. And this is in the shade Show Off. Okay. The LA Colors Moisturizing Lip Gloss, Glossy Finish, Cruelty-Free in the shade Cheerful. I noticed that when I was unpackaging these three have Halloween names like Eclipse, Zombie, and Full Moon. They feel very lightweight. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. Now I'm going to go ahead and try them out. Go in with the lipstick first. This looks very pretty. I would have liked for it to come out as a shade that it is here, because it looks more dark brown here than it does here. But it's still pretty. I'm going to try and add a little bit of this. I'm noticing that when I put it in here and do all of that good stuff, the glitter's not really coming out. Just a tiny, tiny bit. Lip liner, I forgot. So this is it, guys. What do you guys think? Let me say, I really do like the eyeliner and lip liner pencils. They're very nice, very soft. The lipstick was really good, really soft as well. One thing that I was disappointed in was in this one. So the lip gloss looks like it's very glittery, like it's gonna be like that on your lips, and in reality it's not. So final rating, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 1.5 out of 5. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time, bye guys.